Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to see a particular design, that is the stiffener, the use of a stiffener in the part design. So let's go. Click a new part, make a new part. Today I'm not going to go with the projection point or I am just going with the sketch plane and just show you how the stiffeners work. So for that, if I select a circle like this and hit OK, and let's pad this bar. Okay, that's okay. Let's go with the 40 and let's select this face, go with the sketch, and if I drew some random lines like this one, and let's select the line permanently. Let's go like this one, like this one, okay, and exit this. So the random lines are there, but if we cut a cell over this face of 5 dimension, the face is already still on this, okay. And now what we are going to do, we are going to select the stiffener, and for this we want to use yes, of course we want to use from top. Let's preview this. If we increase the dimension, let's see what's in this. Yeah, we can see that it is creating some dimensional lines. If we go with the 5 let's preview this and let's hit OK. So the line we have created is now converted into a solid part. These are used in plastic productions for providing support to the plastic body. So that was I was going to show you today. So thank you for the your time actually, and that's all for today. Bye bye.